take care your body and also your mind. When you take care of your mind and body, it is really so crucial, because in the end your body matter a lot. Got it? Nobody will come and save you. If you get ill, then even your parents think, wish he could die. They all want you to die. So always remember, you should focus on yourself. Focus on yourself. Take care of your body, your mind, your well-beingness, and understand, are you depressed or anything at all. Got it? So whenever you feel depressed, try to understand, do something. I know when you are depressed you don't want to do anything at all, but you need to do it. There is no chance to not do it. You have to do it. That's matter a lot, my friend. Try to understand this. In this world, lots of problems and struggles are there, but you don't need to worry about it. There is lots of things, and if you get nervous by only useless things, then try to understand this. Don't be a loser. Try to be a human guy who is capable to survive in this world. When you take care of yourself, you understand, oh, I need to work really so bad on me. I'm really fat, I'm so skinny, I need to work on myself. That's crazy thing you can do. It is as simple as that. I don't want to make it things so complicated so you can't understand. My words are as simple as that, so you can understand what I'm really trying to say. I'm simply trying to say, focus on yourself. Focus on your body, mind, beauty. Yes. If you are a minus 10 out of 10, then try to be 0. Yes. You maybe people think you haven't changed, but you changed. You came from minus 10 to 0. Can you imagine? So, whenever you feel to not doing anything, you need to do it. There is nothing to say that I don't want to do, my friend. It is so difficult for me. Then you need to understand, yes, it might be difficult for you. It might be difficult to go in gym every single day. I know your mind say, don't go, bro. I'm really so tired. I don't want to wake up that this early. No, I don't want to go. But you have to go. There is no chance to say, I don't want to go. Bro, try to understand this. You have to go. There is nothing to say, no, I don't want to go. Got it? So, you need to exercise. And you don't need to make complicated. If you're going to gym, you know that what you need to do. And you can watch lots of videos. Lots of videos are there in YouTube, on YouTube platform. And if you are doing homework, that is enough, like squats, push up, pull up, that simple. You just need to only do 3 exercises and only do 10-10. All. Start by 1, then go further. You don't need to make process so difficult, starting process. If you make these things so difficult, it kind of hurt you. Then you never will do it. You can't do it because your mind say, I don't want to do that. It is so difficult for me. I can't do that. Then fuck this, shut up and just do little bit. Take one step day by day. Don't think about it. Just go. It's kind of difficult for you. You need to go. Take an example. If you're saying, bro, if I go there, then I will learn nothing. I get no result. I'm not getting any results. So, do you remember this thing? You're getting something. You're doing something. And you're learning something. So always remember, getting something, that doesn't mean you need a result. In the process of getting this result, got it? You learn a lots of things. In the process of getting this thing, this result, you done lots of things. You are mature now. You understand stress, how you can manage your stress. You know how to communicate. You know how to sell. You know how to negotiate. Got it? You know the psychology behind this thing. So don't never say, never ever say I didn't or haven't learned anything. This is worst thing you can do. Always remember, if you're doing something, anything, you have to learn it. And if you don't learn it, then you already waste your time. So don't do that. Try to learn. Try to do something. I know it's kinda difficult for you, but doesn't matter. Yes, doesn't matter. You just need to keep working. Just keep working, keep working, keep working. No result, just keep working. You're not you are really you are doing for 1 year and you're getting nothing at all. Just keep working. Just keep working. I know it is really so disturbing that you are not getting anything, but you're doing something. You can learn, you are learning something. In this process, you change. You changed. Got it? So, never say. Just focus on your mind, your body. Understand, focus on this. Go outside, talk with people, new people, strangers. I know it's difficult, but day by day, day by day. You cannot learn. And nobody is learned from their birth. They learn here. So, go, 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 go.